So I wanted to do a quick video to introduce you to this new to me 2000 Dauntless 18, which I just picked up. Now, no boat is yours until you make it yours, so there's a few things I'm going to be doing on this boat. Let me cover that real quick. One thing about this boat is it sits really forward on the trailer, and I find that it makes it a little bit more difficult to launch and retrieve. So I'm going to be moving it back probably about a foot. Now that's going to be interesting because I'll have to put longer bunks on it and probably shift the axle back to compensate for the weight change that'll happen at the tongue of the boat. Well, one thing I'm going to be doing reasonably small is changing the bow roller. The original bow roller was black, and I bought this one, this polyurethane one. Not quite happy with it. There's some things that aren't compatible with smirked hull, like on this Boston Whaler, so I'll be doing a video on that. I'll also be doing a video on the fiberglass and the gel coat. It is a little bit oxidized, not bad, but I wouldn't get this back to its original shine. Another thing that I'll be doing is getting rid of the mold and mildew. I've got some chemical preparations that will work for that, so I'll be doing a video on getting rid of the mold and mildew on all the vinyl, as well as protecting it for the future. Now, I'm not showing the battery compartment now, but one of the things I'll be doing is adding a 3 battery charging system, so that the 2 batteries in the back, one for the motor, one for the accessories, and the 1 battery forward in the console, that is for a trolling motor that I still haven't installed yet, but I'll be installing one of those as well. Another thing we'll be doing is changing the seals on the C-Star hydraulic system. They're a little leaky. You can see in the well that there's a little bit of a hydraulic fluid and some staining. That'll come off. It's not that difficult to get off, and I'll probably do a video on that as well. But I will be changing the seals at some point on that to stop the leaking and also purge the system when I do that. The boat has the original Mercury Optimax. This thing runs like a charm. It's a smooth running engine. Interesting concept. Has a fuel injector as well as an air injector and what looks like a belt driven supercharger on top of it. So I've run it, we've done sea trials, and the thing runs like a sewing machine. It's a really good engine. So anyway, there you go. There'll be some forthcoming projects. This is not a restoration by any chance. This boat is in excellent condition otherwise, other than the few things I want to change and make it my own. I really appreciate the seller. He took great care of this boat, told me everything that he'd done to keep that engine running fine, and I couldn't ask for a better deal, to be honest with you. Not going to tell you what I paid for it, but yeah, that's how it goes. Thanks for watching.